Your body wakes up stiff, your thoughts usually do too. But you don't have to carry yesterday's tension into today. You can start soft and still build strength. Let's hit the mat. When your chest feels heavy and your breath feels stuck, this is where you open up again. Come to hands and knees, slowly walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Let your forehead rest down and hips stack above your knees. You should feel a gentle stretch across your chest, shoulders, and upper spine. I promise this move is how you unlock your breath and soften your stress. Tight shoulders? Keep your arms slightly wider or bend your elbows. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your heart's open, let's lengthen your spine. Some days you need to rise without rushing. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, press into your palms and gently lift your chest, keeping your hips grounded and glutes soft. Feel the front of your body lengthen and your back body support you. I promise this move is how you unlock posture, energy, and inner lift. New to this? Stay on your forearms in a lower sphinx version. Hold for 5 more seconds. Let yourself feel lifted. Now that your back is awake, let's come home to stillness. In a world that's always rushing, you get to pause. From kneeling, bring your big toes together and knees wide. Sink your hips to your heels, stretch your arms forward and let your forehead melt to the mat. Breathe into your lower back and feel yourself come back to center. I promise this move is how you unlock rest without guilt. Too tight in the hips? Place a pillow under your belly or between your hips and heels. Do you feel your spine letting go? That's the reset you've been needing. Now that your spine has softened, let's give your hips some love. Sometimes healing starts with just moving in a circle. Come to kneeling or a standing posture. Place your hands on your hips and begin to slowly rotate your hips in a full wide circle. Reverse direction after a few rounds. Let the movement feel smooth and fluid, not forced. I promise this move is how you unlock deep hip release and reconnect your body's rhythm. One more stretch. Add a slight pause at each corner of the circle. Let's make this round your most fluid yet. 5 more seconds. Now that your hips are moving, let's clear the last bit of tension. You've carried so much in your head, and it's time to let it drop. Sit tall or stand, gently drop your right ear towards your shoulder. Then begin slow circles forward to the left and back. Reverse directions halfway through. Let gravity do the work. Let go of any tight grip in your jaw or shoulders. I promise this move is how you unlock clarity, calm, and upper body release. Feeling stiff? Make the circle smaller and move slower. You've come this far. Stay with me through this final breath.